Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Paarth's Pop-Up Studio. Today's video is about Momos. We love Momos. You love Momos. Everybody loves Momos. And this is how we make Momos. Let's start with the dough. Knead it nice and soft. Then we need chicken, cabbage and onion finely chopped, and ginger garlic paste, Momo masala, curry powder, soy sauce, salt, chopped coriander leaves, and hot oil with fenugreek seeds. Mix, mix and mix. Mix all the ingredients well. Please check the description box below for detailed information about the ingredients. Roll the dough thinly and cut out small circles. Then wrap the minced chicken in it. Steam the dumplings in a steamer greased with oil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Momos are best served steaming hot with spicy tomato chutney. Enjoy! Bye bye! See you!